Hello everyone, welcome to Racing Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the winter training opportunity which has been released for the college students at ONGC Mumbai. So it's a short notification which has been released, and over here date of submission of the application form is 25th of October 2025. It is starting from 25th of October 2025, and the last date of application will be 15th of November 2025. So it is for college students only, so that they can go for the winter training sessions, and the training will commence on 1st of December 2025 till 31st of December 2025, and the training end date will be 1st of January 2026 to 28th of February 2026. Right, based upon that, your consideration will be there. Minimum will be 1 month and maximum will be 2 months over here. So here general guidelines are mentioned. Total 50 seats are there for the winter training, and the selection would be based on first come first or merit, and first preference would be given to the immediate wards of the ONGC employees, and preference would be given to the students from college in the vicinity of the work centers, universities where ONGC constituted chairs exist, and reputed institutions like IITs, IM, ISM, RGIPT, right? So again, I thought it will be helpful for the students. That's why I am sharing it through a video format as well. The students shall not be provided with any financial assistance, travel, lodging, boarding, medical, anything. Nothing will be provided to the student. This is just an opportunity for you to be associated as a summer intern, winter intern at the ONGC premises, right? So across 20 disciplines, you are supposed to have MBA, HR, Finance, Marketing, and MSc Geology, Geophysics, Chemistry, B.Tech, Mechanical, Petroleum, Electrical, Chemical, Civil Engineering, Computer Science, IT and ENT, Law, Environment Science, Mass Communication, Microbiology, Logistics, and MCA, right? Application procedure is nothing but it is through reference or sponsorship letter, college, institute in original, copy of marks, grade sheet of last semester, and a copy of 10th and 12th for your merit. Mentor shall be E2 and above level with Q1 qualified. So if you have someone in ONGC working for you at a E2 level minimum, so it will be helpful for you, right? Try to get in touch with them so that they can help you with this. So apart from that, it's a wonderful opportunity for the college students. If you can avail this, please do avail this opportunity. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share it with your friends if you think it will be helpful for them, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.